家们，大家好 ！Welcome to Lian's Kitchen. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow.
Today, let's make crepe cake. This is a mozzarella cake and it's very delicious. Now, I show you how to make it. Let's get started.
Here, all the ingredients. The exact amount is in a description box.
Let's heat up the milk on medium heat. Make sure to stir so it doesn't burn. When it's warm, remove from the heat. Now crack the eggs. Then add salt and sugar to mix. Now mix the flour in. Make sure the flour is completely mixed in. Then add the warm milk to the batter. Make sure to slowly add the milk. Now mix in our melted butter. Put the butter through a sieve. This helps remove the crumbs inside the mixture. Next, add some oil in a non-stick pan on medium-low heat. Make sure to spread the oil evenly. Then add a quarter cup of butter. Spread the mixture evenly. After 30 seconds, flip the cake layers, then cook for another 15 seconds. Now remove from the pan. We will need 19 layers for the cake. Time to make the batter. Remove the seed from the durian. Then blend it on low setting. Transfer the durian into a bowl. Now add sugar into the heavy cream. Blend the mixture until the cream is nice and fluffy. Add the durian in and mix together. It's time to put the cake together. Add the first cake layer on a spinning cake stand. Then add the cream on top. Spread the cream evenly while spinning the cake stand. Once the cream is spread, add another layer of the cake and repeat. When that is done, add the last layer of cake on top. This is what it looks like with all the layers. Now refrigerate the cake for at least 3 hours. After 3 hours, the cake should be ready. Let's sprinkle some powdered sugar on top. It's done. Let's cut a slice to try. Wow, look at all those layers.
Wow, looks good. Time for taste test. You can taste the durian. It's very sweet and very strong. The cake is very creamy, soft. When you bite it, you feel all the layer. It's very, very delicious. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, buddy. 再见。